Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you generate YouTube timestamps for your YouTube videos using AI for free. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what you need for this guys is gravitywrite.com. So all you have to do is log in or sign up for an account here. So it is completely free. And all you have to do is go over to a YouTube video. For example, you want a it for your YouTube video. So all you have to do is go ahead and get the time transcripts of that YouTube video. So for example, the random video just for demonstration purposes. So let's go ahead and go over to transcript here. So make sure you show more and you go to show transcript. And all you have to do here guys is go over to Gravity Write and go over to timestamps. So there. So all you have to do is enter the video script. So all you have to do is copy and paste it. So just copy and paste the scripts and then go ahead and create content. So there guys, as you can see, it now generated a timestamp for you. All you have to do is copy this and paste it on your YouTube video. So okay guys, this is basically it. That is how easy it is you can do this. Thanks for watching guys and goodbye.